everybody, welcome to my video today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Wednesday. Today I am launching my March card kits on the go. I do this every single month with Wendy Cranford. We do a local class together, and then we have been doing our card kits as a class on the go after our class happens. So originally we kept having some kits left over, and we thought we would share them with you guys, and you guys really seemed to like that. So what happened is you guys loved them so much that we were running out of kits. So there were a couple months that our kits sold out within 6 hours, and we were not able to offer them to a lot of you who wanted them. So this month we have changed things around, and you will notice that this video is coming to you a lot earlier in the month, and that is because we are now accepting pre-orders for our kits. So this is how it's going to go. I'm going to show you guys. These are the two cards that I have created. There's this one. We're using the Hold On to Hope stamp set this month. And then here's the second one. So let me show you what Wendy is creating for you and what will be part of the kit. So what you get is the ability to make 8 projects. So you see that Wendy has a box, and then she also has a card. So you get to make 2 each of these projects. And then you get all of the pieces to create all of the projects. You get the clear box, you get all the die cut pieces. All you need is the stamp set. So here's what the stamp set looks like, you guys. It is the Hold On to Hope stamp set. You will need this to do all of your stamping, but all of the die cut pieces you will be able to get in your kit. Wendy am using the Hold On to Hope stamp set this month, and Wendy is using the Sweet Little Something stamp set this month for her card kits. So this is how it's going to work from now on, you guys. We're taking pre-orders. They start today. So there are 3 different options to pre-order. You can still just get the card kits and you don't have to worry about anything else. That is an option. So let me walk you through each option. So you can just purchase the videos. There are exclusive videos to go along with these kits. You can just purchase the exclusive video, which will include a video from both Wendy and I, and that is $16. You can just get the kits as normal. You would just get the kit from us that would have all the supplies to make all 4 projects, and you would be able to make 2 each of each project. That still is $24. You get all the pieces. You just need to have the stamp set to be able to finish all the stamping. Or you can get a stamp set now with your kit. So the way that's going to work is you will fill out the form that is on my website, and you will choose which stamp set you want. You can either get the Hold On to Hope stamp set, or you can get the Sweet Little Something. You fill out that form, you pick which stamp set you want, and then I will invoice you for the stamp set and for the card kit, and that is going to be a total of $32. So just for a couple extra dollars, instead of just getting the kit, you can get the stamp set as well. If you already have the stamp set, you can still just get the card kit, and it's not a big deal. So that is the changes that we're making, and we're hoping that all of you guys who are wanting the kits will be able to get them now that we're taking pre-orders. So pre-orders will last, and then for the next few weeks, and then there will be on the 15th, that is the last day for pre-order, and then we will be sending out invoices and filling the orders. So I know that's a lot of information, you guys. We're working really hard on the back end to make sure that everything goes smoothly for you guys. You fill the information out, you get access to the videos right away. You can get access to these videos right now. They are ready to go. So if you just want to purchase the videos, you can do that, and you will have access to them right away. They're an instant download. So I hope that this will help you guys, and that everybody who wants a kit will get it. And we appreciate you so much purchasing our kits, and we love doing that and being able to provide it for you guys. So thank you so much, and I will be talking to you guys tomorrow with another video, and then on Friday. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Wednesday, and if you have any questions, please let me know by leaving a comment or sending me an email. Hope you guys have a great day, and I will chat with you later.